Week marks Black Maternal Health Week, and there has been a focus here in New York City to end the untimely deaths of Black and brown women during childbirth at a disproportionate rate. News 12's Aisha McKenzie sits down with a community doula who has been pushing for this change for years in Brooklyn.
Caring for the community is a responsibility doula Chanel Portia Albert takes seriously.
At the end of the day, what we're trying to do is we're trying to change the narrative of really, I think a lot of times the conversations around Black death and Black women dying in childbirth. And we want to have the conversation switch to but there's a lot of community-based organizations. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of individuals out there who are really working really hard to change that.
Portia Albert, founder of Ancient Song Doula Services in Brooklyn, has been a part of that change for years, providing emotional and physical support to moms-to-be, focusing on birth and reproductive justice and training doulas with this framework.
Getting them to center themselves and what does it mean for me to center myself first before I go out into the community and start to do this work, but also understanding the fundamentals of what does it mean to help someone to advocate for themselves, right? Or what does it mean when you as a doula have to be the advocate?
Advocating for Black and brown women who may not feel safe and protected in medical spaces during pregnancy. And this is why Ancient Song is a part of the mayor's newest initiative to reduce maternal and infant deaths, expanding access to doula and midwifery services.
I think that anything that allows the community to have more access to doula services is great, as long as it's done from an approach that really looks at implementation and accountability.
Going on to say the program must have a good impact on those not only receiving the services, but providing it as well. But beyond the mayor's initiative, Portia Albert will continue to give back to the community.
It's really honestly trying to meet people where they are, not where we expect them to be, and so everyone's experience can look different.
Aisha McKenzie, News 12.